Hi, today I'm going to show you about a website called Cashstark. So this is a social media website, or maybe a blog website is more the correct term. They have a couple posts like how to show Instagram password on Android, how to find Instagram password on Android phone, how to add money in apps like Grow and Angel. This website is pretty centered about making money. So like, hello there, tech money makers, savvy investors, social media reach. It's a blog focused on making money or something the such, making money, technology, etc., etc. So is this website a scam or is it legit? The website itself, it's probably legit. I don't think it has anything that can scam you, but the article itself that's published here, you should be wary of it. It's just like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, like they're legit website, but sometimes the information that can get pumped in there can be misleading or it's not the correct fact. If you see here on cashtalk.com, this is a website review. It has a 92% trust score. So this is a pretty okay website. It's just you might want to double check on the info that's given inside the blogs here.